snake and cobra.
I have to close the mic now, students. Okay. Omar Ala. Omar Ala.
Yes.
Look at question number 3.
Climb trees.
What?
Eat grass.
Yes. Do you think that the snake or the cobra might eat grass?
I think not eat grass.
Excellent, Omar. So we say here, as Omar said, the students.
I think not eat grass.
Repeat after me, Omar. It might not eat
grass.
Thank you, Omar.
Welcome.
Ahmed Adli.
Yes.
Number 4. What do you think?
1 minute.
It
Number
might.
4.
Yes.
Number 4. Swim in rivers.
Yes.
Don't.
Yes,
No,
but
no.
if it can.
Don't swim in rivers.
If it can swim, we say it might. If it can't swim, we say it might not.
It might not swim in rivers.
Are you sure? You are not sure, right?
No, I'm sure.
Are you sure?
Yes.
You may change your mind now. Look here, Ahmed. Ahmed.
Yes.
What is the cobra doing here?
Swim.
So what do you think now? When we come to this question, swim in rivers, it might or it might not?
It might.
Yes, it might swim. Whatever, rivers or seas, we don't care.
Rivers.
We don't care, we don't care. It doesn't matter. Iyad Muhammad?
Okay.
Iyad Muhammad?
Yes, teacher. It might not build a nest.
Yes, because the birds, but the cobra live in burrows. So it might not build nests. Read and answer again. Look and guess. How many eggs do you think there might be? What do you think the bird might eat? How long do you think the bird might stay on the nest? What might happen next? Well, we can discuss this. Mustafa?
Yes, mister.
In this question, how many eggs?
How many eggs?
Yes, use in your answer. We wanted to use it might and it might not.
It might 2 eggs.
It might be. It might be.
Might be 2 eggs.
Okay.
Okay.
What?
Do you think the bird might eat?
Yes.
It might eat seeds and insects.
Fish and insects. Good. And how long do you think it might stay on the nest? It might stay.
4 days.
It might
4 days.
4 days. Okay, so we say it might
Yeah.
stay for 4 days. What might
Yeah.
happen next?
Um. Um.
We can say
Did
little or small birds might come from the eggs. Is that right?
yeah.
Okay. Here, students, we have different places in which animals live. In picture one, this place is a forest. This forest has raining all the time, day and night. The rain doesn't stop. The rain doesn't stop all the night and all the day. It is raining all the time. And it's raining all the year, not only in winter. It rains in winter, in summer, in spring, in autumn, all the year. There's raining all the year. That's why you see a lot of plants. It's totally green. Okay. And so rainforest is number one. Rainforest, rainforest. We still have polar habitat, wetland, grassland, and desert. Polar habitat, you can see ice. Polar habitat, you can see ice. It is in the north of the earth, polar habitat, and there's also in the south of the earth, polar habitat. Wetland, you can see always water and the plants. You can see always water and the plants. Grass is short plants which come from the land all the year. Desert, you see a lot of sand. Now let's guess what might be picture number one and two, 3, and 4, and 5. Muhammad Hilmi? We chose the rainforest here because it's a forest and there's raining all the year. And here you see water and you see plants and you see animals. Water, plants, and animals. Picture number 2. What might be the name? Is it polar habitat or wetland or grassland or desert?
Grassland. Grassland.
Yes, this is a good answer. But remember that in grassland you can't see water. Okay, Muhammad? In grassland you can't see water. You can see only plants. But here we can see water. So what do you think now? It is not grass.
Wetland.
Wetland. That's right. Wetland. There's water and there's plants. Ahmed Hilmi, number 3.
Yes.
There's ice here.
Aurora.
Polar.
Habitat.
Polar.
Aurora habitat.
Polar. Polar habitat. And the number 5, let's ask.
Grassland.
Yes, you answered before. We have to ask another student. Omar Kamal?
Yes.
Well, Muhammad Hilmi said it. He said grassland here. So I need you to decide what is number 5.
Okay.
Number 5, you can see sand.
This red.
Repeat after me, Omar. Desert.
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 Thank you. That's it.
Desert.
Thank you very much. So here, students, rainforest, and here wetland, water, animals, and the plants. Polar habitat, a lot of ice. Grassland, many plants, many short plants. You can't see much trees here. You can't see many trees here, but a lot of plants. Desert, a lot of sand. Okay. Now read and think, where do these animals live? With right polar, wetland, or rainforest? Here we can see a fox here, and here's a parrot. A habitat is a place with a particular kind of climate and landscape. There are different habitats all over the world. They have different animals, plants, and non-living things. Okay, here we know that the house of animals is called the habitat. The house of animals is called the habitat. It is the place in which they live, and this place has a special climate. It may be cold all the year, or it may be hot all the year. Landscape means nature, nature without people, nature. Compare these three habitats. In a polar habitat, there is a snow and ice, and everything looks white. There aren't any trees, and the plants are small. Animals can take shelter in burrows. So, in the polar habitat or in the polar houses, you find ice and snow everywhere. You can't find the trees and the plants. And the animals live in burrows. They dig in the snow to live. There are rainforests in warm tropical parts of the world. There are rainforests. We call it rainforest, students, because it is always raining all the year and it is very hot. Lots of animals here live in the trees and they eat leaves and the fruit. It is hot and wet. Hot because the sun makes it hot, wet because it's raining all the time, and the trees grows lots of fruit. A wetland can be wet all the time. Wetland can be near the sea or near a river. A swamp is a wetland where there are lots of trees. The trees' roots can be in the water and animals hide in them. Here, students, we learn that wetland, we have two kinds of wetland and swamp. What is the difference between wetland? Wetland, water everywhere. Swamp, water and the plants everywhere. Water and the plants everywhere. Okay. An Arctic fox, it is a kind of fox, this one, the white one in this picture. It digs the burrows in the ground. And here we wanted to know what is the name of its place. Amr,
What?
we wanted to know which of these places the white fox live.
Still again, I didn't hear.
Polar habitat or tropical park or wetland or swamp.
I didn't hear.
You can't see?
I didn't hear.
You didn't hear?
Yes.
Yes. The question, an Arctic fox is white. He means this fox. Is it clear now? Okay.
Yes.
It digs the burrows. He means it digs holes in the ground. It digs holes in the ground. Here in this blank or in these dots, we want to put the name of its place. We have here polar, wetland, and the rainforest. So what is here? Polar or wetland or rainforest? This place in which you see a lot of snow. Is it polar or wetland or rainforest? What?
The first one.
Polar?
Yes.
That's right. The answer here is polar because there is a lot of snow.
Yeah.
Thank you, Amr.
La 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 la.
Yasin Khalid.
Yes.
Next, please.
A spider monkey eats fruit and lives in trees.
Yes, this animal.
Tropical.
What?
Tropical.
Good. That's a good answer. But here we have three names, Yasin. Polar, wetland, and rainforest.
Rainforest.
That's right. So in number 2, It's a rainforest. Yasin Ahmed.
Yes.
Number 3,
Yes.
gray fish often live in dark, warm water and they take shelter in tree roots. So the crayfish needs the trees and needs water. So which place of these three places has trees and waters? Is it polar or wetland or rainforest? Look at the picture, Yasin. This is polar, this is rainforest, and this is wetland. Which place is suitable for the crayfish? The crayfish needs water and needs the trees. Which place of these three
With
places?
land.
What? What?
With land.
That's right, Yasin Ahmed. So here, wetland. Qusay,
Yes.
number 4, macaws have beautiful colored
Because
feathers.
have
They eat fruit and leaves. So these birds need fruit and leaves. They need a place in which there is a lot of trees and there's a lot of fruit and a lot of leaves. Is this polar or wetland or rainforest?
red forest.
That's right, rainforest. Come on. Just give me a minute, students. I am writing the names of the students who aren't here. Omar Mustafa,
Yes. Yes.
next please.
Number what?
5.
Wolves have light colored fur. They eat fruit and leaves. Leaves.
Wolves have light-colored fur. They eat rabbits and other animals that live on the ground. So here we are speaking about a wolf. This wolf needs a rabbit to eat, and he needs other animals. Where can he find rabbits and other animals? In polar here, or in rainforest here, or in wetland here?
Went.
I think he can find them in forest.
First.
I think he can find them in forest.
First.
Okay, thank you very much.
Welcome.
Muhammad Basil.
Yes.
Turtles eat plants and animals in the water and on land. So the turtle needs water and needs land. Where can the turtle live? In polar or rainforest or wetland?
Wetland.
That's right, wetland.
هنا wetland.
Look, students, here we learn just few words. Equator, North Pole, South Pole. Repeat after me, please. Equator.
Ecuador.
Yes, try to repeat everyone.
ماما أنا بس اللي هنا ما لحقتش أكتبها. ماما في واحدة هنا ما كتبتهاش.
Ecuador. Repeat, students. Ecuador. North Pole, South Pole. Just look at the picture. Let me. Yes. This part is called North Pole. You can find ice in this part. This part is called South Pole. South Pole. You can find ice in this part. And in the middle of the earth, there is a line which divides the earth into two parts. It is called Ecuador. Ecuador. Around the equator, here in these parts, you can find rainforests. Rainforests. Omar Ala,
Yes.
what is the name of the first part here? Is it North Pole or South Pole or Ecuador?
North Pole.
Excellent. Thank you. Mustafa Murad. Mustafa Murad.
Yes, mister.
The north part of the earth is called the North Pole. Is this right?
Yes, yes.
What
That's
can
right.
you find in the North Pole?
Arceus fox.
What?
Arc.
No. Forget about these names. For snow, we find the snow. Okay.
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 Snow on the ice.
Thank you. Let's keep it just snow to make it easy. So
Whoa.
North Pole, we find the snow. What is the name of the south part?
South Pole.
South Pole. What can we find in the South Pole?
Snow and
Snow.
snow and
Snow. Just snow, please. We try to make it easy. Snow. Snow. You can add more words when you study alone, but here in the class, we will say snow only. So in North Pole, student,
Okay.
there's a snow. In South Pole, there's a snow. What is the name
Yeah.
of the lion in the middle of the earth?
Imaginary.
Yes. So what's its name?
Equator.
Ecuador.
Equator.
Ecuador.
Equator.
Ecuador. Okay.
Yeah.
Can we see the Ecuador? Can we see it
No.
with our eyes? No, we can't. Thank you very
No.
much.
Imaginary.
Thank you. Thank you.
Welcome.
Iyad,
Yes.
these are the division of the planet Earth. You understand this? This is planet Earth. So far, so good.
Yes.
The north part is North Pole. The south part is South Pole. In the middle, Ecuador. North and the south, there is a snow. In the middle, there are the rainforests. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yes.
don't read these words. Don't read these parts. Just learn what I did say to you.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Mustafa Hani,
Yes.
why is Ecuador the hottest part of the world?
Okay.
Why it is very hot? Do you have any idea?
I think it's yes. Yes.
What?
Uh, why
Because,
the equator?
because
Because
of the sun. That's it. That's it.
yes.
Thank you, Mustafa Hani.
Welcome.
Ahmed Adli,
Yes.
why are North and the South poles colder?
Well done. Why are the north and
Why are they
number
colder?
two, صح?
What?
Number two?
Number 2.
Yes, because of forest.
Snow.
Sorry,
Snow.
rainforest.
No, snow. No.
Because
North Pole, South Pole are cold because there is a snow.
of snow.
Yes. Ahmed Hamada, Malik,
Yes.
what habitat can you find near the equator? Look, the equator is here. The equator is here.
Yes.
Look, it's green. Can you see? Can you see its color?
Yes.
Because it is green. What can we find in the near the equator? Wetland or polar habitat?
Yeah, wetland.
That's right.
Wetland.
What else? Wetlands and rain.
Rainforest.
That's right. What habitat do you know in Egypt? Thank you, Mazen. I have to move to another student. Qusay,
Yes.
what habitats do you know in Egypt? We have studied polar habitat, wetland, rainforest, and the desert. Do you think we have desert in Egypt?
Because
Number 4. We are number 4.
doesn't.
What?
Okay.
Muhammad Samir. Well, if you don't want to answer, I will answer. What habitat do you know in Egypt? Deserts. There are deserts in Egypt.
Control the glasses and
What? What did you say? Anyway,
since
I think the students who don't have time to take lesson 1 and 2 and connect.
finest.
Yasin Khalid,
Yes.
I went or going to the park yesterday.
Went.
Thank you. Yasin Ahmed,
Mister.
was or were or are it a spider monkey?
Where? Whiz.
Okay. Muhammad Basit,
Yes.
the sloth moved slowly yesterday.
Move it.
Moved. That's right. This is the end of our lesson today.
I missed.
Bye.